In this video we have the GB4000 hooked up to an oscilloscope, and we're going to attempt a certain waveform. First we want to set the GB4000 in RF mode, and then we're going to select a frequency, a modulation frequency of 196 kilohertz. And that's going to be riding on a carrier wave of 3.1 megahertz. So since we're in RF mode, the carrier is set. So we're going to enter in our modulation frequency 196,000 and then run. Come over to the oscilloscope. We see a AM looking waveform, and these AM amplitudes, they're occurring at a rate of 196 kilohertz, and the carrier wave you can see inside of each amplitude is the 3.1 megahertz. And now further, we want to try gating this on and off. And so I am going to hit the gate button, and then a G appears on the screen, and we come back to the scope, and now this configuration is gating on and off. And if I adjust the time base, we can see the gate rate. There it is. So the whole process of 196 kilohertz being modulating onto a carrier of 3.1 megahertz is occurring here in these pulses, and this whole process is being gated on and off at the gating rate that I set. And now if I broaden out the waveform again, we can see what's inside of it. This is your 196 hertz, and if I broaden it out again, these are the individual signs of the carrier wave at 3.1 megahertz. Now, if I wanted my gating to be an integer multiple of the 196 kilohertz, because there's a reason for that. If this was a plasma, the amplitude peak of the 196 kilohertz would actually be turning on the plasma pulse. And so if we want to time our electronic simulation here with the GB4000 to do that, we should make the gating rate a submultiple of 196K. So I'm going to select the gate function. I'm going to hit number 3, and it's going to ask me what rate I want. So I have 140 typed in, and I'm going to hit enter. It tells me the duty cycle. That's adjustable also. And now it's saving that. So the gating rate is now an integer submultiple of the 196. So my point is we're simulating a Rife plasma machine with an electronic generator. Okay, here we go again. I'm going to enter 196,000 and then just hit run. And there it is once again. I can adjust it. There's your 196 kilohertz rate of pulses. If I spread it out, this is your carrier at 3.1 megahertz. if I close in on it, you can see that this whole process is turning on and off at a 140 hertz gating rate. That's all.